Madam Rishita.
Ma'am.
Good morning, students. Three only.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, very good morning. Yes, today which table we have to discuss?
Ma'am,
Five table, no? Yes. Harivardhan, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 5 10 15, 5 9 45, 5 8 40, 5 7 35, 5 33.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Harivardhan, tell me once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Suddenly,
5 10
Yes.
5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5.
Yes, good. Mahante, Sindhu,
Yes, ma'am. I'm 5 table.
yeah, backward.
Yes, ma'am. 5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5.
Good. Mahantesh,
Yes, ma'am. 5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5.
good. Sakshi,
5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5.
yes, good. Yes, can you see the screen? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. All of you practice 1.1 exercise, all problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So then, some properties is here. Based on that 1.2 exercise is there. Yes. See here. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Here, closure under addition. You know that addition and subtraction, isn't it? So integers means where to where? Integers means
Ma'am, -2, -1, 0, +1.
yeah, 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Totally we can consider it as totally we can consider it as integers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here first property is closure under addition. It means what? You know that 17 is also integer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 23 is also integer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So after addition of these two integers, again you will get the answer is 40. 40 is also integer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
so it means this property we can consider it as closure property. All belongs to the integers group only. So that's why we can consider it as closure under addition. Closure under addition. Understood?
Ma'am, what do you call these kind of closure property? I mean, within this is doing with the
Harivadan
integers.
Janma?
I'm telling that how do we call what do we call this property? What is this mean?
Closure.
Okay.
Closure property under addition. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here. See. We have learned that sum of two whole numbers is again a whole number. You know that sum of two whole numbers means 0 is a whole number and 1 is also whole number. So you just add these two, so then you will get the answer 1. 1 is also whole number. So this property we can consider it as closure property of whole numbers. So now we are going to learn. So this one, for example, 17 is a integer and 24 is also integer, and after addition of these two numbers, then you will get the answer 41. 41 is also integer. So which is again a whole number. Here also these two also belongs to the integer also. So we know that this property is known as the closure property for addition of the whole numbers. This is whole numbers. In the same manner, here is the integers. So minus 10 is an integer
Yes,
and also
ma'am.
3 is an integer. Minus 10 is an integer and 3 is also integer. After adding these two, so here both has a different sign. Then what we have to do? We have to do
Ma'am, subtract.
very good. Subtraction. So 10 minus 3, how much?
7 minus 7.
10 minus 3 is 7.
7.
Which side I have to put?
Ma'am, minus because the greater number is 10. Uh, next
So
to
which
that,
sign? In front of that minus sign is there. You can put minus 7, isn't it? So minus 7 is also belongs to the integer,
yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. So in the same manner, yes. See here. So integers are closed under addition in general for any integers a and b. So after a plus b is also an integer. For example, here minus 20 is also integer and 0 is also integer. After adding these two, what is the answer you will get?
Then minus 20.
Minus 20 itself. Minus 20 is also again an integer, no? So those are integers are closed under addition. So in general, we can consider it as a is one integer and b is also integer. After adding these two, again you will get the integer, no? So this property we can call it as closure under addition. Closure property under addition. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then closure under subtraction. So you must solve. So again you will get the integer or not. Here is the spaces, no? You have to find out the values and whether it is an integer or not, you have to find out. So this is homework. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one, closure under subtraction. Here the operation is subtraction. That's it. So 7 is an integer and 9 is also integer. After subtracting these two, so here there is no sign, means plus is there. So plus and minus. So yeah, which one is the bigger number? 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Which sign I have to put here? Minus.
Then minus.
So minus 2 is again an integer, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. In the same manner, you have to find out whether all these problems has the same integer or not. You have to find out. So this is the homework.
Ma'am?
Okay. This one is the homework. You have to find out the answer. So result is an integer or not? You have to find out.
Ma'am,
Yes, Telma.
then for all it will come out of integer.
Yes, of course. Yeah, all answers or belongs to the integer itself, because you know that integer means 0 along with positive, all positive numbers and negative numbers, isn't it? So all answers belongs to the integer. You have to find out the answer and you just write here result is an integer or not. Yes, of course, result must be is an integer. You must remember. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Yeah. Integers are closed under here subtraction. If here is the general formula, a is an integer and b is also integer. After subtracting these two, a minus b, again you will get the integer. Understood? Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
now? Yeah. So you must remember. So a plus b belongs to integer. This is under closure property. And a minus b belongs means which symbol we have to write means this one. Belongs to integer means z. A minus b also belongs to integer. This property we can consider it as closure property
Property.
under addition and subtraction. Understood? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is commutative property. Here also two, we have to consider two numericals or two integers. So in general, you know that 3 plus 5. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, 8.
Isn't it? Then 5 plus 3.
8.
8, ma'am.
Same answer.
Ma'am, it will
Isn't it?
be like A
Yes.
plus B is equals to B plus A.
Yeah, general formula is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Whether you can add A to B or B to A, you will get the same answer. Isn't it? So this property we can consider it as commutative property under addition. Understood? Is it possible negative? For example, subtraction, is it possible? We have to check. So you can consider A 5 and B minus 3. So after subtracting these two, so minus of minus 3, we can find out 5 minus into minus is plus
Ma'am,
3.
plus
So 5 plus 3 is 8,
8
isn't it?
plus
Yeah. Okay, done. You can subtract now minus 3 minus of 5. What is the answer? You will get, check it one.
Ma'am, we'll add here because minus into minus. Ma'am, we'll just
What is
Ma'am,
the
8.
answer you will get?
Ma'am, 8.
Plus or minus?
Ma'am, plus 8,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
minus.
It's the same answer.
Plus. Hey, Harivardhan, is it plus age? This question, ma. Minus 3 of minus 3 minus 5.
Ma'am,
What is the
minus.
answer? Yeah,
Ma'am, minus.
same sign is there, no? That's why we have to add these two. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. Which sign I have to put? Which one is the bigger number?
Ma'am, 5.
5, no? So 5 in place of that, which sign is there? Minus.
Ma'am,
What is the
minus.
answer? Minus 8 here,
Minus
but
8.
here 8. Is it though these two are equal?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. It means you must remember A minus B is equal to B minus A. It's not possible. These two answers not equal because H, it is not equal to minus H. Isn't it? So commutative property under subtraction, it's not possible. But you must remember commutative property under addition, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. This one is possible. It's clear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You just note down this one property. You just take this one headline. closure property under addition. On downside, you can write A plus B belongs to integer. This one. You just write this one headline and write this one box. After closure under subtraction, downside you can write A minus B belongs to Z. This one. Easily you can remember. Write down. These two tables is there, no? Those two homework.
Ma'am, can I tell the five table?
Yeah.
5 times are 50, 5 nines are 45, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40, 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 30, 5 six are 30, 5 fives are 25, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5.
Good. Note down this one.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Good. Is it completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write this one. Commutative property, downside you can write A plus B is equal to B plus A. Is it echoing?
No, ma'am.
Write down this one also. It means commutative property under subtraction, it's not possible. That's it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All these problems, take it as homework. After you can solve. Okay. My voice is echoing.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hmm. Is it completed commutative property?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is associative property. So here we have to consider three. For example, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. The difference is, first we have to group these two values. After, we have to group these two values. I am giving one example to you. So minus 3 is there. In the place of A, you have to write minus 3. And in the place of B, minus 2. You just group these two. And plus C means your value is minus 5. You just take it as it is. Whether it is equal to A value is minus 3 and B value is minus 2 plus of, wait, small size I have to write. See here, A plus B plus C. First you can group these two. Is it equal to A plus B plus C? So here I just give one simple example. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. See here. So you just remove the brackets. It means in that which operation is there, that one you have to do. Okay, so 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here, 1 take it as it is. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Yes, of course, both are equal. This property we can consider it as associative property under addition. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Yeah. So here we have to consider 3 values, A, B, C. Here, write down. Here's problems here. So that one you can solve afterwards. Take it as homework. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes. Then what about others? Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, done. So you must read this one like this. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, like this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one is additive property. Additive identity. Which one we can consider as additive identity? Yes. Which one
Ma'am,
is the
that
additive identity?
0.
0. Multiplicative identities?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Good. See here. So minus 8 here. Minus 8 is an integer. So you are going to add 0. Then what is the answer you will get?
Ma'am,
8.
8. Minus 8.
8 plus 8 or minus 8?
Ma'am, minus 8.
Minus.
Minus 8. Minus 8. Isn't it? Yes. Good. So you will get the same answer, no? So by you are adding 0 to this number. So that's why 0 we can consider it as additive identity. Okay, here some problems is there. So this one take it as homework. After you can solve all these problems. You don't have any textbook means, so you just go to the Play Store and download NCERT textbook. Okay, in that you will get the textbooks. Okay, you can solve all these problems. So here is the general formula. A is an integer, then you are going to add 0 to that, then you will get the value A itself. For example, commutative property, you know that A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to, what is the answer you will get?
Ma'am, A.
A itself, isn't it? So this one you can write now. Additive identity, A plus 0 is equal to A and 0 plus A is also A. Write down.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. See how. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 3. Whose sum is minus 3. Sum means you just put your plus. Whether you can add any numbers to here. What is the answer here? Minus 3. Okay.
Minus
So how to
12.
find out? Yeah. You know that. So here minus sign is there means here bigger number in front of that you can put minus. Okay. So here 5 minus 5. How much you are going to add or subtract here? We have to find out the minus 3 answer.
Ma'am, subtract.
Ma'am, subtract.
Yeah, subtract. When you are going to subtract?
Ma'am, 2.
Same sign or different sign?
Ma'am, different sign.
Subtract
Ma'am,
means
different sign.
different sign. Yeah, here minus sign is there. Here plus sign is there. How much you are going to subtract?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
2. 2 means plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. What is the answer you will get? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Isn't it? Yeah. This is one answer. So many methods you can find out here. You know that minus 1 plus of minus 2. Here you can observe minus 1 is there. Plus into minus is minus 2. So both have same sign. It means you can add 2 plus 1 is 3. Which sign I have to put? Minus.
Ma'am, minus.
Yeah. Understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Then 3 means you can find out 7 minus 4. You will get the answer 3. So here a bigger number, minus sign is there, no? So bigger number in front of that, put minus. And you must put here plus. So minus 7 plus 4 means you will get the answer minus 3. Clear? Yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
11 plus 11 plus 8. You will get the answer minus 3. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In the same manner, you have to find out. So, for example, minus 15 plus 12. What is the answer? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah. So, each question, you must write the 10 examples. So, this is one. You can observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples I am giving now. So, you must find out 10 examples like this. Understood? You just note down this one. Sum is minus 3. After you can write down these values. Do it fast. You have to find out 10 values, 10 examples like this. Is it completed?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
This is one example. Another this one. Oh, right.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you. So this way you have to find out the 10 examples. Okay. Understood? So now difference is minus 5. How we have to find out? Difference is minus 5. Means you know that. So difference means you just put here minus.
Ma'am, minus 10 minus subtracted from uh, minus 5
Minus 5. Very good. See here. Minus 10. Minus into minus is
plus 5.
plus 5. Very good. Minus 5 is the answer. This is one example. Very good. Next. Minus 4. Minus 1. You must write here. Difference means in between the you must write minus. Minus
Ma'am,
4 minus 1.
minus
What is the answer?
12. Ma'am, minus 12 subtracted from plus 7.
No, no. Check it once. Check it once. Minus 12 here. Minus into plus means minus. Minus 12 minus 7 means what is the answer? Here you must write minus 7. Minus into minus it become plus is equal to minus 5.
Yes,
Little bit changes ma. Understood Arivardhan?
yes,
Minus into
ma'am.
minus is plus. No, different sign means you have to subtract. Isn't it? 12 minus 7 means 5. In a bigger number in front of that minus sign is there. You must put here. That's it. So then tell me minus 4 minus 1. Here two numericals. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Minus 4 minus 1.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
minus 4.
Minus 5,
Minus 4.
no. Minus 5, yeah. So this is first one example. This is second example. This is third example. In the same manner, you have to find out 10 examples like this. 10 ways. Okay, write down. Second one, difference is minus 5. This one you have to find out. Difference means in between two values, you must mention minus sign. That's it. You know that when you have to add, when you have to subtract, same sign is addition, different sign means subtraction. You must remember this trick. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Garge Harivardhan, do you have school now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you have holidays?
Ma'am, from next month, ma'am.
Oh,
From May 1st.
okay. Up to where?
Ma'am, June 21st.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Harivardhan, do you have any evening classes? Do you?
Ma'am?
Evening classes is there?
No, ma'am.
Yours? No. Hmm.
Ma'am, there are only 3 students.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am. Ma'am, this is not there, ma'am. Mahantesh and Sindhu.
Sakshi, Shreya, Harivardhan. That's it. Sindhu and Mahantesh left. Hmm. It's okay. Okay, so my question is it true whether evening 6 to 6:45 is it okay or not? Yuvraj is
Ma'am,
suffering from
evening.
fever. Evening, is it okay?
Ma'am, in holidays, ma'am.
Now, every day, instead of taking morning, is it okay evening classes 6 to 6:45?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, no.
as is. Okay, morning only I will take the class. There is no issue.
Okay,
Morning
ma'am.
itself. Okay, yeah. Then tomorrow table is six table.
Yes.
Okay. When I join my class, when I join my duty, so at that moment I have to change my timings. At that you have to support me because morning 6:30 I have to go to office. That's why hostel superintendent, no. So I must attend morning. That's why at that moment I will change the timings. Evening when I free, evening session I will take the class. Okay. So now I will take the class at morning session itself. There is no doubt. Okay, when I join my duty, so at that moment you have to support me. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So tomorrow itself I'm going to start exercise 1.2. Okay, and you must practice six table reverse before class. Okay, as usual tomorrow morning 6 to 6:45 I will take the class. Clear? Take
Yes,
care and
ma'am.
practice all these problems. Here, this one is the homework. See here, this one is the homework and this one homework. You just open the textbook here, so many problems is there. Try to solve all these problems. This one is the homework and these two tables also homework. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Bye bye. Take care.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.